guys, I hope you're having a great day. In today's video, as you already seen from the title, we are reviewing the new Revolution Pro CC Cream Perfecting Foundation SPF 30 Moisturizing Rich Foundation that contains hyaluronic acid, collagen, and antioxidants. So it sounds a little bit too good to be true. I mean, all the ingredients. It's a CC cream. That means it's not really a foundation, although it says CC cream perfecting foundation. CC cream is something between your moisturizer and foundation. It shouldn't be as intense as foundation, but slightly bit heavier and more tinted than your moisturizer would be. So it gives this coverage and all. But then they say it is perfecting foundation, so I'm a bit confused about that. I mean, we're gonna see. Then they say that is moisturizing rich foundation. That scares me a bit because I have oily skin and I wouldn't look for something that was saying moisturizing. I will look for something that was saying mattifying. But another thing, it says that it contains hyaluronic acid and collagen and antioxidants. It sounds just so good for your skin, and also I thought, you know what, I'm gonna give it a go. I ordered this online, so I'm not sure if I picked up a correct shade for my skin color. I'm taking a F5.7. Let's just open up and see what we got. Basically, when I bought this online, they have like a little description next to each shade of a foundation, so this sounded like would suit me the most. But now in reality, I feel like this might be too light for me. I mean, we can go and bronze it up later, so that's totally fine. Let's just be honest, I'm not a fan of CC creams in general. I tried recently IT Cosmetics CC cream. I know it's super popular and people are raving about it, but yet it wasn't my favorite. We can actually compare because packaging wise is so similar. So I have a travel size IT Cosmetics CC Plus cream. The normal size one has the same like pump thing as this one would do. Makeup Revolution Pro, it's the same brand basically. They do tend to do amazing dupes of the more expensive brands, so I think this was maybe what we were aiming at. I think let's just, give it a go and see. If it's too light on my skin, then as I said, I can bronze it up. Totally ignore if it's not gonna match. Okay, so I'm gonna go and apply the mattifying primer first because this is what I do normally. If you follow my channel, you guys probably know that I do have a rosacea and acne breakouts with CC Perfecting Foundation SPF 30, which is extremely helpful, especially during the summer, so you don't need to think of the extra SPF protection for your face. And we do tend to forget about SPF cream, especially if you're not on your, vacay. Any product that already has SPF is already humongous thumbs up from me. Love a pump, by the way. This is something very handy, way much easier than just, squeezing a tube. So it gives you like proportions. I think this might be shade light. We're just gonna wing it, guys, so just ignore it. Doesn't really have any smell. It's already a plus. I'm funny with the smells in a makeup or cosmetic, especially if it has like plasticky artificial smell, if you know what I mean. But this has no smell whatsoever. We'll see if it's gonna manage to cover up all this redness. Yeah, it's gonna be far too light for me. I'll bronze it up later a bit. The color is not that bad when, blending into the skin. It's not that obvious. I still would need to bronze it up, obviously. But then it doesn't give that much coverage. I thought it will give me more coverage than this. The formula feels amazing. No smell, no tackiness or anything, Product itself seems to be really good. It's just the wrong shade. Coverage wise, I mean, yes, it has a shade, it has a color, but then it's not a full coverage foundation that I would normally go for, just because I have this rosacea and breakouts and everything, and I need to even out my skin color. So this is the issue for me. I'm gonna try and add more on, my cheeks where my rosacea kicking up the most. Maybe you can save a day. Otherwise, I think this definitely would work if you, have nice skin, don't suffer from, pigmentation going on or anything like that. And this would be just perfect for you if you just wanna collide nice, color on your face. that is perfect. If you need to cover up a bit more issues on the face, might not work. I'll see. Alright, so I went with one more layer on the cheeks, on the redness and breakouts, and you guys, I gotta take my words back because the coverage is insane. So basically I just needed to let it dry a bit and then go back with more product. The shade is slightly bit too light if you would compare, you know, the rest of my body. My face looks a bit too light, so that's my mistake by choosing a wrong shade. Other than that, so far I really do like this. I don't think it's good for oily skin because on the packaging, you know, straight away they say moisturizing rich foundation that contains hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid is perfect for hydrating, so if you have dry skin or even normal skin, hyaluronic acid is your friend. It's good for wrinkles as well if you have loads of wrinkles. That's why in like anti-wrinkle creams, hyaluronic acid takes like a, you know, top spot, and it's like the best. Plus it has collagen, which once again is good if you have wrinkles because it gives you that moisturizing effect, so kind of evens out your skin surface, plus antioxidants. So you know, all ingredients are good, but straight away it looks super dewy, and having an oily skin, the super dewy look is not the one you want to go for. But saying that, it looks pretty good, you guys. What do you think? Like, it did cover up all my breakouts, you know, all the redness that was going on. It did a great job. I wasn't expecting that, knowing that it's a CC cream, so I wasn't expecting, you know, super coverage. I thought it's still gonna be peeking through, but yeah, because like, for example, this IT Cosmetics CC cream is known for amazing coverage, although like, I'm not gonna go into details. I'm gonna link a video in here, you guys can check it out. This product, I really like it. I don't think it's good for oily skin, as I mentioned, because it might be a bit too dewy, but if you like a dewy look, then go for it. You know what, I think I'm gonna finish off maybe this look. I'll do some like bronzing and all, so I can make this color work for me. Let's do that. Alright, so I'm gonna do a bit of a cream contour by using Revolution Conceal and Define Infinite Concealer in C12. I mean, to fix the color of foundation. Actually, you know what, guys? This contouring helped a lot. Like, now the foundation matches my skin color. And I kind of like this dewiness because it only shows up on the top of the cheekbones. So it works as a highlighter. I'm getting, you know, into this CC Perfecting foundation more and more. At first I was too skeptical, but now I'm like, I think I was too skeptical because it's a C cream, so usually it doesn't cover up much, but hey, look at that. I don't see any redness going on breakouts too. So far, it looks really good. So I'm really liking it. Yeah, thumbs up from me. So far at least. I am pleasantly surprised. I'm gonna be filming a few other videos today, so I'm gonna come back with a finished look. Actually, I'm gonna tell you, because I got a few more Revolution products. I got Loose Infinite powder and some sculpting bronzer and the highlighter, and I got some lippies as well. So we shall see how it's gonna look, you know, as the finished look. I always do bulk film my videos. I'm gonna do that. It's gonna take me a while. So we're gonna see at the end how this looks. I'm gonna come back to you with a finished result to tell you what I think of it. But so far, humongous thumbs up. And I'm back, guys. It's been a long day. I filmed quite a few review videos. It's gonna be all coming up on my channel soon. At first, the color looked like it was far too light for me, but I managed to fix it up with a little bit of a bronzing, contouring. So there's a quick tip for you if you think that your foundation is too light or too dark. So if it's too light, you can always add up a bit of a darker contour shade. I think it's even easier if you would just mix it up a bit on your hand and then go on all over, you know, your face. Or you can do it as I did and, you know, do the contour a bit stronger. Or if your color is too dark, go in with a lighter, you know, concealer contour color and then just mix it up and conceal a bit more, and then kind of blend it together with your, beauty blender, and just gonna merge the colors, blend it all throughout, and will give you a perfect match as it did for me. Alright, at the beginning of the video I was very skeptical about this foundation because to begin with it's a CC cream, and I have super problematic skin, rosacea, breakouts. You've seen it at the beginning of the video, so I was skeptical for that reason because I thought it's not gonna cover up any of that, and at first I went a bit too light with the coverage, and you've seen it still, the redness was popping on, so I went with a bit of the more, topped it up little by little, and they kind of led easily to build up the coverage. I didn't need to wait long, because sometimes, I don't even know how to explain, with some even foundations, like full proper coverage foundations, it takes a bit longer to build up the coverage. It feels like it just doesn't stuck on, it just kind of, do you know guys what I mean? It just takes longer. This actually worked really fast by getting this coverage on. I didn't need to wait long or anything like that for like one layer to dry and go in with another. Yeah, the coverage building was pretty much straightforward and quite fast and effective. What I didn't like about it is moisture rich. That means like I don't really need that. I have super oily skin. I mean, moisturizing is the key to any type of skin, so you never skip a moisturizer. But I have super oily skin, so my skin is kind of dewy on its own, and that gives kind of this dewy look. So if you have a dry skin, this is definitely gonna work for you. You're not gonna regret it. But after I applied the setting powder and everything, kinda went all, good. I mean, I'm surprised because you see my reaction in the beginning of the video. I thought it's just gonna work. The color, red super hydra thing and CC cream, definitely not for me, but hey, it worked. I take my words back. Amazing product. My skin loved it. When I say my skin loved it, I have very sensitive skin, and with a lot of products, the first dab, the first touch, I get like the feeling, like I don't even know how to explain, like my skin just doesn't like that. Felt nothing, like literally nothing, like I can't feel it. Yeah, so thumbs up for me. I don't know what else to say about it. Definitely recommend, especially if you're on a drier side, or like your skin is on a drier side. But even if you have oily skin like I do, like I applied this more than 5 hours ago, and by this time normally my skin will be super oily, trust me. And it still has this dewy finish and it looks perfect, so definitely good product, worth a try. If you tried this already, you love it, you hate it, let me know. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to press the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more, and I shall see you soon in my next video. So thank you so much for watching, and bye, have an amazing day.